you want your users to be able to register and sign in to your app using quick login with their Facebook accounts, you need to get a Facebook APK to connect the login to your mobile app. First of all, you need to go to the Facebook developer's site. You can log in with your Facebook account or create a new one. Now we are inside on the main screen. To create a key, click on the Get Start button in the upper right corner. Click on the Confirm Email button. Now choose your role. You can choose any role, it will not affect anything. Click the Complete Registration button. First, we need to create an application. Click the green Create App button and select the app type. You can select any type of application and change it later in the settings. Now enter the name of your application. It will be better if it matches the name of your application in the module App Builder. And click Create App. Enter your password to confirm. We are on the dashboard of our application. To add a Facebook login, find it on the screen and press the Set Up button. Here you can choose what exactly the Facebook login will be used for. In this video tutorial we will use it for authorization in Android application. Now go to the settings in the menu on the left. You will see a reminder to remember to switch your account to a public profile. Click on the link in the reminder pop-up. Not Now button. Find your public profile and click Get Advanced Access. Now back to the settings page. Basic. To use Facebook login, you need to insert a link to the privacy policy and a contact email. Link to the privacy policy can be just linked to some online document, for example for Google Documents. In case of problems with Facebook login, Facebook will contact you via the specified mail. You can also fill in other data about the application now or later. Now click Save and switch the live version. Click on the IP secret field and copy the key. Then paste it into the settings section of your app in the module Mobile App Builder. And click the Save button. Now your users will be able to log into your application using authorization through their Facebook account.
Module